Known for its delicate appearance yet remarkable strength, bone china has historical roots favored by
Quality and tradition are paramount here. We maintain strict standards, relying on the heritage.
We are committed to ethical sourcing. Our bovine materials are sustainably collected from farms that respect animal welfare.
We add a significant percentage of this bone ash, which is derived from animal bones. It's what gives the china its unique strength and
This is the journey inside the factory, where raw material undergoes a meticulous transformation. It's a
We invite you to explore the detailed steps inside the factory. Discover the fascinating.
The foundation of luxurious bone china starts with the purity and quality of the animal bones used. This direct
We use cattle bones exclusively, disputed.
We source these bones as byproducts from the meat industry, ensuring no animals are killed solely for production.
From the farm to the factory, we ensure sustainable and humane practices. Our close collaboration with suppliers, backed by
Our rigorous quality checks begin with visual inspection and UV analysis for contaminants.
Recommendation. Bones are carefully collected, cleaned, and transported under strict hygienic conditions. Timely
As you can see, this long-term partnership
ensures a steady supply of high-quality material.
a balance between tradition and modern responsibility in sourcing raw materials.
raw bones are unsuitable for ceramics and must be transformed into a fine, pure powder.
After degreasing, the bones undergo a simmering process, followed by a hydrogen peroxide bath for sterilization and whitening before the final rinse. After cleaning, the bones are carefully dried to remove all moisture. This controlled drying is essential to prevent cracking or damage before calcination.
In the calcination process, bones are heated to 1,000 degrees Celsius in a furnace. This removes all.
We must precisely control the temperature and timing. Overheating or underheating can
Portals. The calcined bones are ground into a very fine bone ash powder to ensure proper mixing. It then
The XRF analysis verifies the high purity and composition of the bone ash.
And the laser diffraction confirms
Instances. The critical role of bone ash is the secret behind the strength, whiteness, and elegance of bone china.
To form the bone china paste, we mix bone ash with essential raw materials, kaolin, feldspar, and quartz.
As you can see, we slowly introduce the water, mixing thoroughly until it forms a workable paste.
Precise measurement is crucial. The exact ratios of bone ash, kaolin, feldspar.
We need the clay to improve its plasticity and homogeneity. This removes air bubbles and is crucial for preventing defects like cracks later on.
We use synthetic binders, like methyl cellulose, to enhance workability. These are carefully selected to make. Shaping is the critical first step in transforming raw bone china paste into beautiful crockery. Precision.
This careful blending of natural materials is the foundation for high-quality bone china. It requires.
Slip casting is a process where liquid bone china slip is poured into plaster molds to form hollow shapes. Molds are typically crafted from plaster, which absorbs moisture to help the ceramic paste set. Their precision.
After shaping, the pieces must dry slowly to remove excess moisture before firing. We maintain this.
Look at this bubble here. We need to rework this section before firing.
And this bowl is uneven. We must discard it now to maintain quality standards.
This is where technology and artistry converge.
Consistency, moisture content, and plasticity are checked before samples are taken for trial shaping and firing to verify performance.
This is where technology and artistry converge.
The drying phase immediately after shaping is critical. It removes excess moisture from the bone china, which is heterogeneous. In this controlled environment, temperature, humidity, and airflow are precisely regulated. This ensures
the abrasions. The drying time really depends on the size and thickness. Larger pieces like this sculpture need rendering.
This initial firing process is known as biscuit firing. It hardens the dried pieces, making them strong and
During biscuit firing, the temperature is carefully raised to between 900 and 1,000 degrees Celsius.
As the temperature rises, the organic materials burn off, releasing smoke and steam. This allows the bone china particles.
During biscuit firing, the temperature is carefully raised to between 900 and 1,000 degrees Celsius.
As the temperature rises, the organic materials burn off, releasing smoke and steam. This allows the bone china particles.
After the biscuit firing, we inspect for warping or cracks. We use the ring test, and if it doesn't sing, it's discarded.
Glazing adds a smooth, glossy surface to bone china, enhancing its appearance and functionality. It also makes the
most common methods are dipping, as seen here, followed by precise hand brushing for detailed areas.
Glaze is made from finely ground minerals and glass-forming compounds. These fuse to the surface and bond with the bone china.
The importance of decoration in enhancing the beauty and uniqueness of bone china crockery.
The glazed pieces are fired again at high temperatures, around 1200 degrees, to melt the glaze.
We use various decoration techniques, such as hand painting, decals, and embossing. Hand painting.
The liquid bright gold is carefully painted on. Once fired in the kiln, the luster transforms into this.
Decorated pieces undergo a lower temperature firing called overglaze or enamel firing to set the colors and metallic details permanently.
Decoration and detailing combine craftsmanship and creativity to complete the bone china crockery, bringing elegance and character to each piece.
The final firing permanently sets the glaze, decorations, and metallic detailing. This ensures the durability.
In this final stage, the kiln reaches between 700 and 900 degrees Celsius. Precise temperatures.
After the final firing, each piece undergoes rigorous quality control. We examine them for surface. The final firing and meticulous quality control are paramount. This phase guarantees every.
Careful packaging is essential to preserving the beauty of bone china. It protects these delicate pieces during transit. The natural bone ash contributes to the strength and brilliant whiteness. This stunning translucency.
The packaging is the final step in the journey from raw materials to luxurious bone china.
To ensure safe delivery, packaged crockery is carefully stacked and palletized. Quality checks are performed at this stage to prevent damage.
While the glazing is traditional, we use this laser scanner for quality control. It is how we merge centuries-old craft.
We invite you to appreciate the meticulous craftsmanship and the fusion of nature and human creativity.
The process starts with raw bones ground into ash, then mixed and shaped. It is fired in a kiln, glazed
to the stories held within these beautiful pieces and the memories we make tonight. Cheers.
Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share to support us. Thanks for watching.